Guys, at CTK we're launching our program from this Monday. So in case you want to join us for the complete program, you can join us for the online program. Otherwise, if you want to go for only books, mock, shortcut, whichever program you want to join, just call the numbers given here and my team will be more than happy to help you out. Hi guys, today we'll talk about when is a peak time to study for the CAT exam. You can start now, but motivation nahi aayega. You won't feel motivation or you won't feel have the killer instinct. Why? Because we have time for the exam. We are Indian students, please try to understand. We cannot study till the time date sheet is out. For example, everybody know March is going to be the exam time. Our exam are going to be in March. But जब तक वो date नहीं आएगा, तब तक हम तैयारी नहीं करने वाले. Then preparation leave, preparatory leaves and then exams. Preparatory leaves were not to prepare for the exam, were not to study for the exam, or to prepare for the exam, where we mentally, emotionally prepare ourselves. Notes copy karna, this and that used to do. We are going to study in the last 2 days only. That was my trend. Most of the students do that only. Study 1 day, 2 day, 3 days. Okay, how much time you studies? You tell me. 2 days. I think that's the average Indian standard time. Any exam in the date sheet, if at a 3 days ka gap, bus. Up to open phir we'll open that thing in 3 days only. Okay, now CAT ka peak is, let's do backtrack. November is the CAT exam. We are going to prepare. November is going to the peak month when I want to be most efficient. Okay, October, November are the two main months. November obviously the most important, October, November. I have seen students who have started from November 1 and got the IM calls. It's, trust me, doable. Okay, so 2 months, October, November is the peak time. This is the time when I want to complete my syllabus, give mocks, revise, all these things. Second most important phase is August, September. August, September is when we will start with the full flow. So I want you to come in the 4th gear. See, I want your level of study to go up. I don't want to make it peak in June, July. Because if you get a peak in June, July, then the preparation start going down and you will burn out. By October, November, you will burn out. So start studying thoda. That's why I call it the basic time. May, June, July is your basic. Build your foundation, do your maths, focus more on your weak area, focus more on the weak area. What we are doing, we're doing ulta. We are studying more and more of our favorite topic, ignoring our weak area. Spend more time on the weak area as well. 3 months. Then August, September, October is going to be your anyway peak time. Okay, so let's keep it, quantify them. I want you to target 30 marks by July end. In your mocks, you have to target 30 to 50 marks. Sir, I'm already scoring 60. So 60 is very good. Scoring 20, improve. July, target number 1, July end, 30 marks. Target number 2, August, September end, the second phase. September end, target is 50 to 60 marks. Yeah, you can go up to 75. You set your own target depending on how much you're scoring in the mocks. Okay, target number 1, target number 2, and give one mock every month. We are starting with the baby mocks. In case you want to join, you can call the numbers given here. Otherwise, we'll start the baby mocks. So July end tak, I only want to give baby mocks, and maybe if you have done a few more, you can give a few more main mocks. But otherwise, baby mocks is sufficient. August, September will increase the number of mocks, and target is 50 to 75 or 50 to 60, 75 jo bhi karna, 50 to 60 marks, 30 to 50, 50 to 60, and then November end. Our target is 75 to 100. 75 marks is 95 percentile. I'm talking about the new pattern. Okay. 75 marks is 95 percentile and 100 marks is 99 percentile. These are the two magic numbers you have to remember. 75 marks, 100 marks. So let's quantify this. I will complete my basics till July 31st. So completing my syllabus once. Target only 30 marks in the mocks. I'm not giving you a very big target. August, September, I'll revise the complete syllabus and target becomes 50 to 75 marks, 50 to 60 marks. And then third time I'll revise everything. In October, November, give more and more mocks, give every alternate day mocks, maybe give mock every day. Yes, there are students who give mocks every day and score 75 to 100 marks. Yeah, if I'm completing my syllabus 3 times and in the classes we are doing the same thing, completing the complete syllabus in 3 times, score kyun nahi aayega? Yeah, you will score. And that's what our target is, to score more marks. Alright, so this is going to be your plan. All the best.